Okay, today we're going to be reviewing the new feature that we've recently added called Side Locator. You have a part similar to this where we're welding around the base, but none of that part sticks over top. We know that's difficult in Nucleo to design a fixture for. So we've come up with a new method. What we're going to need to do is start by locating the part model where we would like it in the plate. And then from there, what we need to do is draw a plate that is going to have this shape cut through it so that the part can slide in and then be located. And then this will be fixtured off of the back side here with some lines and arcs that will allow us to get access into the side here for welding. So to quickly do that, you can just come here, just draw a rectangle. And, you can make it identical, but for myself, we're just going to say about right here. And then we'll just kind of bring it up to about here. And then the other thing I want to do is I'm going to make another one. This time I want a radius rectangle. It's asking us for the radius in the corner. Let's just put a 1/4 inch radius in there. 1/4 inch radius. And then we'll say that'll be this here. And then we'll go to modify, quick trim, just trim this out. Do this. Okay. Lastly, you're going to need a method to secure this plate onto this stack of blades here. You can do either a hole in the plate that we can put through the base plate, run a rod up through, and then a wing nut or something, or you can just put another clamp that pushes down on here. It's entirely up to you how you want to do this. For this exercise, I'm going to draw a circle. That's about right here. And we'll say we're going to be using a 1 inch diameter rod, so we'll put in a 515 radius circle. Give us a little bit of clearance. So once that is completed, our next step, and this is prior to designing your fixture, is going to be going to more and then Side Locator. So the first thing it's asking us for is how much part clearance do we want in this plate? And we'll say I want a 15 thousandths clearance. When we look at sharp corners, do we want to offset them so that they are sharp? Or do we want to offset them so that it blends a radius in? I'm going to say I want a sharp corner for this one. Select the parts I want to locate. I'm going to locate this part. And now it's asking us what's the thickness of this plate. Let's say it's going to be 3/16. Where am I locating it in Z? So we can say we'll locate this, let's say, along the midpoint of that line. I'm going to clean this up to say 11.5 inches. And now it's select the lines and arcs for the plate. So I'm just going to draw a window over those lines and arcs. And you can see now it projects up that shape to that plane. And now it's asking us, do we want to project the parts that we selected through this plate? What it's going to do is it's going to look at this straight down in Z. And it's going to create an outline body of the entire shape, offset it the amount that we gave it, and then project that and cut it through this plate. You can see that is what has been done here. Our corners are nice and sharp. And if we look straight down on it, we can see we have clearance around the part. So from here, we have a couple more options. We can do weight reduction, which allows us to cut a circle. Let's say some 3/4 inch circles. I want a thickness of the ribs in between, let's say, to be 3/16 as well. Make features. You can see all the features that it draws on the screen and then pushes it up through the blade. If you put in a very small number, what will happen is when it goes over 100, you'll get a warning for that, just letting you know that that could take a little bit of time to complete. So once you're all completely done here, you'll just hit finish and done. And then from here, it's a matter of creating your fixture, fixturing this up as well, and then making sure that you give yourself room to get your torch in here or wherever needed. If you'd like some more assistance in setting this up, please reach out to our support staff. At that time, we can set up a meeting to review this option with you. Thank you and have a good day.